Hi friends. Today I am going to share you some important question with answer of computer. If you know the correct answer, then comment and watch the video till the end. Which company developed the Safari web browser? The right answer is C. Apple. Next question. What does VPN stand for? The right answer is B. Virtual Private Network. Next question. Which of the following is a markup language used for creating web pages? The right answer is C. HTML. Next question. What type of device is a monitor? The right answer is B. Output device. Next question. What is the main function of an antivirus software? The right answer is B. To protect against malware. Next question. Which of the following is not a search engine? The right answer is D. Windows. Next question. What does HTTP stand for in a URL? The right answer is A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Next question. Which type of memory is non-volatile? The right answer is C. ROM. Next question. What is the function of a web server? The right answer is A. To store web pages. Next question. Which of the following is a commonly used email protocol? The right answer is C. SMTP. Next question. What is the full form of URL? The right answer is A. Uniform Resource Locator. Next question. What is the main function of a web browser? The right answer is B. To browse the internet. Next question. Which company developed the macOS operating system? The right answer is B. Apple. Next question. What is the purpose of a firewall in a computer network? The right answer is C. To protect against malware. Next question. What is the primary function of an operating system? The right answer is B. To manage hardware and software. Next question. What does ISP stand for? The right answer is C. Internet Service Provider. Next question. What is the full form of GUI? The right answer is B. Graphical User Interface. Next question. Which of the following is not an example of an operating system? The right answer is D. Microsoft Office. Next question. What does FTP stand for? The right answer is A. File Transfer Protocol. Next question. What type of software is used to create and edit text documents? The right answer is C. Word processing software. Next question. Which of the following is a cloud storage service? The right answer is A. Google Drive. Next question. What is the main function of a computer's motherboard? The right answer is B. To connect all components. Next question. Which of the following is a popular programming language for web development? The right answer is D. JavaScript. Next question. What is the primary purpose of a database management system, DBMS? The right answer is B. To manage databases. Next question. Which of the following is an example of a spreadsheet software? The right answer is B. Microsoft Excel. Next question. Which of the following is a type of computer network? The right answer is B. LAN. Next question. What does HTML stand for? The right answer is A. Hypertext Markup Language. Next question. What type of software is used to create presentations? The right answer is D. Presentation software. Next question. Which of the following is a search engine? The right answer is A. Google. Next question. What does USB stand for? The right answer is A. Universal Serial Bus. Next question. Which type of memory is used to store data temporarily while a computer is running? The right answer is C. RAM. Next question. What is the function of a firewall? The right answer is A. To protect against malware.